It's Don here from the board. Thanks for coming along and checking out this video. Wow, it has been a really long journey to get here, but we have finally made it to 5,000 subscribers. Wow, just looking at this channel growth in terms of the history, kicking off in 2017 proper, a bit of growth through 2018, 2019, and then a bit of that pickup through the COVID phase, which was pretty good times for a lot of YouTubers because everybody was stuck at home. And then really around 2020, when life started going back to normal a bit, things have plateaued and slowed down. It's definitely been a slow crawl. In sort of the last 12, 18 months, I've been not having as much content, slowing down stuff to every 2 weeks. I've started diversifying a bit into other interests because I guess the keyboard hobby and a lot of things in this space haven't had a lot of great advancements. I'm sure there's new boards coming out, new switches, but a lot of them are just recolors. There's not great leaps and bounds. And also, of course, time and constraints with family. Now that I've got 2 small children, and they're definitely getting older as well, and dealing with things of that nature. For those who've followed this journey all the way through, when we first started in 2017, that was just after my eldest was born, and so I was spending a lot of time at home around that. And then you would have known through all of that, we've also bought a house and we've moved. So life goes on, life changes. Now, what I'm trying to say here is that I'm still going to be making content and I still want it to be keyboard connected, but as you can see, there's a lot more woodworking stuff happening. And now that I've got a house and a shed, a garage, it gives me more flexibility and freedom to mess around with other things. So if you're interested in seeing that, and of course staying around and supporting the channel and giving me feedback, that's fantastic. If you're not and you want to fall away from all of this, well, sad to see you go. But for those who have been here this entire time, those who are still here, those who've supported me along the way, I want to say thank you, because 5,000 as a goal, personally for me when I started this, was something that I never thought I would have ever reached. So as promised, we're going to do a giveaway. And I did a poll, and it was a really long time ago because it's taken that long to crawl from about 4,800 and that last 200, that last 100, it's taken a really long time to get there. You can really see that, over the last year, it's barely done anything. But as promised, we are going to give away one of the 2 AE Boards Satellite 65 kits. Now the poll asked about if it was going to be a black or a grey one, and it came out as 65% people saying that they wanted the black kit. And so that's what it looks like. There is a video that of course I'll have a card to somewhere around on the top corner of this video that you can go check out and see what it looks like. But we will have a Gleam set up for this. It will end at the end of May because obviously with a lot of people having a lot of content to watch, they might not get around to seeing this video anytime soon, especially if they're not an active subscriber, but it gives them a chance anyway if they want to get in. There's only one way to enter. There's only one entry per... there's only one way to enter, so you only get 1 entry. For that, as you can see, I'm a bit rusty with running competitions because I haven't really had any for a really long time. So all I just want you to do is let me know what has been your favorite video from the 400 odd videos that I've done on this channel and why it's your favorite. It just helps me understand what people enjoyed seeing and gives me a bit more direction on what I might be able to potentially go back to doing, looking at doing, trying to arrange to do. Okay, so make sure that you pop that in. As I do say though, it is going to be Australia only to win the prize because shipping internationally is quite expensive. It's not a light keyboard at all. So I'm just going to keep it to Australia only. I do apologize for that. And of course, once I draw this, I'll get in contact with email so we can arrange your postal address and I will send this off to you. So for a very quick recap, this is the box. This is the kit. It says on the side here that it is the black set. Okay, we're just going to have a quick pop open. So it's going to come with the PCB. It's going to come with the gaskets. It's going to come with the feet. It's going to have the case. There's going to be the stabilizers. Make sure you remember that the stabilizer bar is actually embedded in the foam. It's going to have the screws. That's going to be part of that kit. And I believe that will be it. So I'll make sure that this gets wrapped up and it's going to get put in a box with padding and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully it will arrive safe and sound to the winner. So that's what is going to be drawn at the end of May. That's it. Nice and short compared to my normal videos. Love you all. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate it, and hopefully you will enjoy many more videos to come. So thanks again. And of course, as usual, until next time, happy clacking.